All right, well, let's go over to the inputs side, right? We were just talking about, or have been talking about, the proteins. We'll talk about the inputs. It's important to know what these things are going to cost to have them be put into the animals, so that's why they're called what they're called. Corn is the one that's interesting. We're trading around that 438 or 430 level, which is going to be where I think we're going to probably be going into this August 12th report at. We've kind of called a truce between the buyers and sellers here for the short term. A lot of guys don't want to get involved because this is going to be a big report August 12th. So it's going to be interesting to see how this market, maybe you'll see the ranges get smaller and smaller and smaller as we get closer to that report. And that's kind of the feeling that I'm getting from this price action already today. We've come off 38% from the $1.10 rally we've had. That's going to be another thing that technicians will talk about. I talk about what the technicians talk about a lot because when we haven't had any fundamental news, we're going to get some big fundamental news August 12th. But up until then, every now and again, we get the odd export sales or a cargo canceled here and there. But there's nothing to really get your teeth into if you're a fundamental trader. So we have to shift our attention to see what to take a look at what the technical traders are looking at. So, big picture. 7 months ago, before we had this big rally, we're hanging around a price where I guess a lot of guys would have been very, very happy with, okay? This is the price that you needed to have as a producer 7 months ago. Well, now we're here. So I guess what the big picture is, you're going to have to do some dancing around here if you're a producer. And before before the August 12th report, make sure that you're comfortable with some sales or whatever you need to do to shore up your marketing plan going forward. Because remember, 7 months ago, you'd have loved these prices. Don't get too greedy. Have a little bit of common sense. But this is the level that we wanted at the beginning of the year. Now you got it. Let's shore up those books and make sure that we're all nice and tidy going into that August 12th report.